Hey guys, so today I am doing a very quick tutorial. I just want to show you what 3 of the features of Pathfinder do that I really like and you can use for all sorts of instances. I have 2 shapes intersecting right now. You can draw whatever shapes. You can grab a couple of circles, you can grab squares, whatever you need to do to learn to become a designer. That's what I want you to do for this lesson. And by the way, if you're not part of my courses VIP group yet, you should become a part of it. It's totally free. I send out all these tutorials and everything that you need to learn to become a designer. So you can do that at karinagardner.com and click on Exclusive VIP. Super simple. Okay, this is going to take only a minute. So go to Window and Pathfinder, and here it is. And the 3 that we're going to talk about is our minus front, the intersect, and finally the exclude. Okay, so let's demonstrate very easily what these things do. I'm going to select with my selection tool, which is my black arrow tool, the star and the rectangle, and we're going to click on the minus front. Okay, so that was simple enough. It just gets rid of everything up front and it creates this really just, like silhouette, right? Okay, super simple. Select the second one and we are going to choose the intersect, okay? So what this does is it takes everything that actually intersects in the 2 pieces, which, right now we're using simple pieces for you to see what's going on, but if you had a very complicated piece, it'd be so nice that instead of like having to rip everything apart and trim it and all that other stuff, you can use this intersect tool to just get rid of stuff, okay, all around it. And then here is our last one. We're going to try the exclude, okay? So if you click on that, make sure that I'm actually selected on it. There we go. And yep, okay. So go ahead and click on exclude. Oh, I've got 3 things there. That's why, guys. Okay, let's try again. I'm going to move this star up front. Okay, let's click on exclude, and all it did was completely get rid of everything behind it. Now, let's see what happens if you bring the square up front. Object, arrange, bring to the front. Let's grab that. Now, click on exclude, and you can see that what it's done is it's taken the other, like the star that was sitting in the back, and changed it black. It will do different things depending on what kind of pieces you have combined there, so take a look at that. But that's your Pathfinder, and the Pathfinder is a great way to build quickly. So if you have a chance, I hope you get to play with the Pathfinder tools. There are more. Those were actually the shape modes sitting at the top of that Pathfinder window. So I hope you have a chance to try them out. Okay, see you guys.